Kasaday ka.
Robinsons.
Sana all ka humanong pabuyag palagon sa Robinson. So tapen. Wala pa ka nag-sorry.
Sorry naman ko, ma'am.
Ay sige again kay wala na ko na.
I am very sorry.
I'm very sorry.
I'm very sorry. I promise I'll never do it again. I'll never have fight with Isaiah. And I'll always do the dishes pag kuman.
Tinood na. Ay, kabot-bot.
Us.
How did you feel about that? About what happened?
I feel guilty and bad.
Bantay lang.
being recorded without shorts.
Hi mga langga, sa mga bago po sa channel ko. Ako po si Mami Rain, a solo parent to 3 boys that grew up pair of twins way back 2019. And this is my solo parenting journey. So bali, my eldest here, Aiki, was showing me his face. Nagka-acne breakout kasi siya recently. And here he was asking me kung may improvement na ba dun sa mukha niya. Actually, wala talaga kaming balak gumala that day. But something happened earlier. And I feel like I was suffocating and I needed to go out of the house. So there.
What? Where?
Tom's World, we're gonna gamble.
Ay, money?
Yes. If Tom's World added a machine there for which is essentially just gambling for children, we're gonna gamble.
Alright.
So, balik kwento ko lang. Nung umaga kasi naririnig ko nag-aaway si Isaiah at Kael dahil sa hugasin. Tapos alam niyo yung feeling na ang dami mong iniisip kaya konting bagay na titrigger ka. Parang ganun kasi yun nangyari. And so, I went out of the bedroom. Kasi nasa kwarto ako habang naririnig ko sila nag-aaway sa labas. I grabbed this small bowl and I smashed it right in front of them. And then I broke down. Parang that was the very first time na nakita nila akong nag-breakdown ng ganun. Yung humagulhul talaga ako sa harapan nila. And I am not proud of what happened. I could have handled my emotions better. But at that time, feeling ko talaga is sasabog ako. And it was not the kids' fault. I just have too much on my plate. So after I calmed down, I told the boys we're going to the mall. Medyo nagulat pa nga sila kasi akala nila grounded sila. Tapos biglang pupunta pala ng mall. So we met with a friend there sa mall kasama yung mga kids niya. And we just let the kids play and have fun. At hindi ko na i-vlog pero nagkita din pala kami ng isang tito ko at tita at nalibre pa nga kami sa Jollibee. Tas after that, ang sabi ko kay Aiki, titingin lang kami ng glasses sa EO. Actually, wala talaga kaming balak magpapalit ng glasses that day. Pero kasi sobrang kawawa na talaga yung eyeglasses ni Aiki, kailangan na talagang palitan.
Tuloy na kayo. Ano, 2 years na po me. Kala cute! Pila na?
I feel like dako na kayong kuhan. Ang friend.
Ah, cute. Nice?
Nice.
Kabang daw.
Yeah.
Wala, ganahan ko.
Look at Aiki's glasses. Aside sa bali na siya, sobrang dami pa niyang scratches. Actually, hindi ko nga alam kung paano pa siya nakakakita dyan. Kaya yun ang sabi ko, magpapalit na siya. Gamitin na lang niya yung perang naipon niya from his commish. Actually, he was saving for a laptop, pero sabi ko, unahin na muna yung glasses. The laptop can wait.
Na-HD na?
Oh. Ako na ito ko.
Ha?
Ako na ako.
But sad to say, tumaas na naman yung gado ng mga mata niya as expected.
Pina? Pinahan ra ka?
Yeah.
So ayan na, tamang tambay lang sa ginli habang inaantay naming matapos sa playhouse yung anak ng friend ko na umiyak pa nung tinawag kasi ayaw pang umuwi. Pero ayan at happy na ulit siya, nakuha naman sa pakiusapan. So ayun at umuwi na din kami after.
Let's go!
Oh my gosh, I miss my.
Reason!
Oh golly gosh.
So kinagabihan, umalis ulit ako, nagkita lang kami ng mga friends ko. Catch up lang, ganun. Plus, you know, we had our much-needed break from all the chaos the adulting world has to offer. So yun lang, thanks for watching and I hope to see you on the next vlog. Bye-bye!